Football has the power to unite the world, and today we're celebrating the rich flavors of Morocco with a dish that's just as unforgettable as a last-minute winning goal, Moroccan Lamb Tagine. Let's season the lamb with salt and black pepper. Into our pot goes a drizzle of olive oil. Tender pieces of lamb are added to the pot. Every piece is now brown and ready to get out of the oil. Next come sliced onions, slowly cooking until they're soft, sweet, and beautifully golden. Now comes the magic of Moroccan cuisine: ground cumin, paprika, black pepper, salt, followed by tomato and garlic paste. Fresh ginger joins the party. A splash of lamb broth is poured in, bringing everything together. Our star players re-enter the field of play, the lamb. A touch of cinnamon. Let's squeeze in some lime juice. Meanwhile, sweet apricots are added. The aroma is unforgettable. Onto our couscous, pour in a cup of water into a pan. Add some salt. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. After boiling, take the water off the fire and add 1 cup of couscous, stirring gently. Cover and let rise for 2 minutes. All the water should be absorbed by the couscous. Now add 3 dabs of butter, then return to low heat for 3 minutes, stirring with a fork to separate the grains. Serving time, a bed of fluffy couscous is prepared to soak up every drop of that incredible sauce. The tender lamb is carefully spooned over the top. The caramelized onions, sweet apricots are spread on top. One final sprinkle of fresh herbs and the crunchy almonds are added. And this masterpiece is ready. If this Moroccan masterpiece made you hungry, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.